My name is Catherine Alcorn and we are at Slide Lounge in Sydney with the owners of Burge Wines, Mr. Grant and Mrs. Helen Burge, and we're here to savour the sound this evening. How excited are you about tonight?
Oh, very excited about tonight. We've got 12 wines matched with 12 music artists, which is really great. There's a character with each wine and we really think that the right track goes with the right wine.
Helen, who are you looking forward to seeing this evening?
Kate Fuller, our Barossa girl.
Ah, someone from home. Very good. We'll have a great time and let's savour the sound.
I'd just like to welcome everyone here to the Burge Savour the Sound, a magnificent night of music and food and wine. Enjoy the night. I'm sure it's going to be fun. So thank you.
Mr. Burge, everybody. I would like to sing a few songs for you tonight. Baby, that's gonna cost you 10. But if it ever starts into throbbing, come back and see old Long John again and again and again and again and again. Oh yeah. We are here with acclaimed and award-winning jazz vocalist Kate Fuller. Which song are you performing this evening for us?
I'm performing a song that I wrote called Happy, and it's just a happy, bubbly, fun little tune which I think matches very well with the Burge Moscato, which is one of my favourites and very fruity and delicious.
I love to cook a good meal for my happy chappy. 'Cause I love you, you love me, and I love you, and you love me, and I love you, and that's all I really need to make me happy, to make me happy, to make me happy.
We are here with John Baker and Gail Buckby from the Baker Suite. Gail, tell us about the wine that you've been partnered with this evening.
Our song Armies of the Night has been partnered with the Hillcock Merlot, and it's quite fortuitous because we started writing that song in the Barossa Valley a couple of years ago when we were staying overnight in a B&B. The Burges didn't even know that there was that connection, so it must have meant to be.
Well, they do now. Have a fabulous night,
There was
guys.
trouble at the carnival. A fight broke out and several men got hurt bad. A woman near the ticket box said someone started throwing rocks who was quite mad. There's no telling where you'll be required to stay the armies of the night once more. Once more. And the Hillcock Merlot is a very fine drop.